The next function we're looking at is the left function. The left function is used to retrieve a chosen amount of characters counting from the left side of an Excel cell. It is written as equal to left. The chosen number has to be greater than 0 and is set to be 1 by default. We'll also look at the right function. The right is used to retrieve a chosen amount of characters counting from the left side of an Excel cell. It is written as equal to right. Just like the left, the number has to be greater than 0 and by default is set to 1. Let's look at the use case for the left and the right function. Let's start with the left. So say for example, you want to retrieve the first 3 letters from the first name. Equal to left. Look at the description. It says, returns the specified number of characters from the start of a text string. Meaning, we're starting from the far left. Now, let's select our range. Now, how many number of characters do we want to retrieve from this? Let's say 3. Close the bracket and see what happens. Now, in this case, we're getting just the first 3 letters. Apply this to the whole cell. Drag and drop. Now you see that it retrieves the first 3 letters of each of these names. For Angela, it retrieves ANG, which is 3. For Michael, it retrieves 3 MIC. This can be applied both for numbers and text. Right is the opposite of left. Right retrieves from the far right. So let's say, for example, let's look at the date here. For the left, we use the text. For the right, let's use numbers and see. Say, for example, you want to retrieve just the year. You want to retrieve just the year of these employees. That is, the year each of them started working in this company. So you have equal to right. Now, select the range, comma. How many characters do you want to retrieve? The year is 4, so we retrieve 4. We'll have it 2001. Let's try this again for the second cell. Right? Select the cell. How many characters do you want to retrieve? 4. Close the bracket, and you have it, 1999. You can apply this to all, and you see. So we've successfully retrieved only the values at the far right. That is, 4 values from the far right. You can try this for text as well. Same way you could try for the left on numbers, and you see and understand the difference between the left and the right.